now want to compute another one. All right, another one. But if you check, guys, right? Okay, let's just try to draw this. I want to show you something, right? So we have 1, which is 1, and also 1/2 for y, which will be like this. So we'll have value here. And remember, this one here, if we are putting it here, right, it's that function that is like this, and then another function that was coming like this, right? That was, we had a function here, let me use red. We had a function that was at y here, coming like this, which is this one here, and then this one here, it's this one, right? Okay, so meaning that means our third coordinate will be for 0, where x was to 0, y is equals to 1, and z is equals to 0 right here. Okay, which is just this region here, right? Okay, it's fine. Thank you. Okay, and then now that means it's here. Okay, let me use blue. That means it's here and here and also here at 1, right? Now we have another coordinate here, which is 0, 0, and 2 for z, right? Just 2, which is here. So meaning so the tetrahedron is coming here, then it goes here, and then here, right? Yeah. Okay, and then now for computing the volume, right? Okay, our volume there was, okay, computing the volume, our volume was z is equals to no, did you start with z? It was what? Our volume, because we need to compute volume here. So dv, so the a here, and then it was x plus 2y plus z, so it was x plus 2y plus z, which gives us a 2, right? So we can evaluate this as 2 minus x minus 2y, right? Which makes things simpler for us. So that means we just have a double integral, right? Then meaning we'll evaluate this thing here, right? Okay, and then that means you are moving from, if you are moving this side, sorry, if you are moving this side, then we'll be moving from 0 to 1, right? So that's x equals to 0 to x equals to 1. And then for y, if you check, right, if you're coming here to here, yeah, if you're coming here to here and here to here, here to here, we are touching two functions, right? And we never want to touch two functions, right? So meaning we need to move okay, let me just try to clear. That means we need to move from here going up, right? Because it's just one function. So one function to another function, right? Not one function to like to another to two functions actually, right? So if you're moving from here to here, then we know that it's from 0 to 1, right? So our y here, instead of using x, we'll use our y here. So y will move from 0 to y is equals to 1, and then oh sorry, I mean x, man, making a mistake. Our x is moving from 0 to x equals to 1, and then now for our y we're moving from this function to this function. So it's from y y is equals to, so it's from y is equals to x over 2 to y is equals to negative x over 2 plus 1, right? On 2 minus x minus 2y, which is going to be dy dx, which you can also do